Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you Tag Heuer Connected Calibre E5 honest review. So Tag Heuer Connected Calibre E5 is Tag Heuer's take on blending traditional Swiss watchmaking with modern smart features. And in 2025, or at least this year currently, it still sits in a very specific niche. People who want a smartwatch that looks and feels like a luxury watch first, with smart features added on top. Now, from the moment it's on the wrist, the focus on build quality is obvious. The Calibre E5 uses premium materials like stainless steel or titanium, there's ceramic bezel, and sapphire crystal over the display. It doesn't look like a piece of tech trying to pass as a watch, it generally looks like a Tag Heuer. Now, the addition of both for 45 millimeter and more wearable 40 millimeter case sizes also makes it more practical for different wrist sizes compared to earlier generations. Now on the software side, Tag Heuer moved away from relying purely on Google's Wear OS, and now runs in its own Tag Heuer tuned operating system. The interface is smooth, visually polished, and designed to match the luxury feel of hardware. Notification calls, fitness tracking, and basic smart features work reliably. And iPhone compatibility is better than many non-Apple smartwatches. Now the trade-off is that this isn't an app-heavy ecosystem. There's no large app store, and features like contactless payments aren't actually available, which is something to be aware of if smartwatch convenience is your top priority. Now, performance and battery life and strong points for this category. The Calibre E5 feels responsive for everyday use, and battery life typically lands around 2 days with normal usage, which is respectable for a premium smartwatch here with a bright OLED display. Charging is also fairly quick, so topping it up doesn't feel like a hassle. Now, fitness and sports tracking are handled well as well, so especially for activities like running, walking, and golf. So Tag Heuer has leaned into features that fit its brand, such as detailed golf course maps and clean activity summaries, rather than trying to compete directly with hardcore fitness watches. Health tracking covers the basics like heart rate, GPS, and activity monitoring here, but it's not aimed at replacing the dedicated sports or health focused wearable. Now, where the Calibre E5 really divides opinion is actually the uh, value. Now, from a pure technology standpoint here, there are much cheaper smartwatches that offer more features, deeper app ecosystems, and tighter integrations. Now, what you're paying for here is craftsmanship, design, brand heritage, and the feeling of wearing a luxury timepiece that also happens to be smart. For someone who already appreciate mechanical watches and wants a smartwatch that doesn't feel disposable or overly techy, that premium makes sense. Now, overall, the Tag Heuer here, or the Tag Heuer connected Calibre E5, is a legitimate and well executed luxury smartwatch. It isn't trying to be the most powerful or feature pack option on the market. Instead, it succeeds by delivering a refined premium experience that balances smart functionality with traditional smart aesthetics here. And that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and share button and watch our next video.